Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. So I am about to be going through Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you my little walkthrough. I'm going to be posting a couple of them at different times because there's a few things I wanted to talk to you guys about. And then stay tuned because I have some more DIYs coming up. So see you guys soon. Alright guys, so as you can see, they have some cool decor with the wood area. I really like that home sign and the love sign, and then of course you know they got their arrows and some other little odds and ends. So as I was walking in the ribbon area, I saw these funky looking ribbons and I thought those were awesome looking. And then I saw this wicker basket, but I didn't get it because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it yet, but I thought it was cool. And then on top of that, I found some other odds and ends. They had some chalkboards with the wood around it, and that really cool lost sock sign, because everybody knows that we all have sock monsters hanging around. And then they had some Mod Podge glues and fabric glue, which I've never seen those in my other Dollar Trees. And then I was super excited because a lot of the Dollar Trees that are close to me did not have any paintbrushes in stock, because I use them all the time to paint stuff. And so when I went to this one had it. And then on top of that, I found this cute adorable sign. It's one of those sticker signs, and that would be awesome in your front entryway, which I have some DIY ideas for that. But you know, if you have little ones and you don't want so much dirt being tracked into your house, onto your carpet, or whatever you might have, this is the awesome cute little DIY to have your guests basically take off their shoes, or you know, if maybe you want to provide some socks for them so that way they're not walking barefooted. I have some cute ideas for that though. And then I was super excited because they had a whole wall full of vinyl, guys, all laid out nice and neat. I definitely need to go back and get some more of that buffalo checker print, but I was really excited to see how well and neat this area was. And then of course they have their little tools that you use, so I thought that was awesome. And then on top of that, they had this awesome mat, which is not that big honestly, and I definitely going to look into getting one of these. I didn't pick one up, but I'm probably going to go back so I could pick one up, because I use, you know, my vinyl and my Cricut and everything like that. And having this on my table, because I have a glass table, having this on my glass table would be perfect so I don't scratch it up. I do have the Cricut mats, but this one didn't seem sticky, so that's a plus side, because sometimes you want to cut something but you don't want it sticking onto the mat. And so I just thought that was awesome that they were coming out with all this Cricut stuff and really listening to what crafters want in the store, and Dollar Tree is really stepping up to help us. So as I was walking through, I saw this little pegboard, which I thought that was cool. And then they had another little cute sign, and then some more of those cool funky looking ribbons. They're not really lace, some of them are, but they were really neat looking, because they almost could be like grass if you want to do it for like Easter. I know Easter's over, but that's awesome. So they have this cute little "this is a" sign. It's one of those sticker signs, and I have a few projects that I may do with it. I think I'm gonna stick to probably narrow it down to one project, but I do like that saying, and I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet. or what I'm going to exactly do, but stay tuned. And then I saw a lot of the galvanized tin kind of metal items, I guess, crafting items and decor. They had the arrows. I saw a big giant hashtag. They had the trucks and some hearts and some signs, like different shapes, I guess you could say, of signs. And the really cool part is they had numbers and letters, which I thought that was very cool, because you could do a lot of things with those, with your crafting or your DIYs, or I don't know, it's endless what you could do with them. So then another thing that I saw was that they have this cool little palette, tear off palette sheet paper thing. So it's like 15 pieces of paper, and you can tear it off, and it has the thumb grip to hold, and you can use it to add your paints, or if you want to paint with it. So I thought that was such a cute little idea. So I would say this is probably the end of this little walkthrough and DIY. So stay tuned to the next one. Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.